Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and reinstall these door speakers on this 2007 Mini Cooper S. If there's any parts you need for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. There's a little pin that goes into this trim piece. We have to take this pin out. So we'll use a trim removal tool. Just pop this off. You could use a flat blade screwdriver. Pull that pin off. And I'm going to pull this trim piece off. And just grab it, try to pull it off. Sometimes you need a little trim tool to help. Use a little trim removal tool. Get in behind here. Pull that piece off. Now we're going to pull this little light off. Just use a flat blade screwdriver. Get underneath it. We can just disconnect the connector. Just pull that out like that. Set that aside. Next I'm going to use a door trim removal tool. I got to take all the push pins out along this outer edge of the door panel. Now this door panel is going to come out in two pieces right here, separate from the inner panel. Just slide it in here. Apply some pressure. Over here as well. And we can slide it off the door lock rod and pull that panel out. Next we're going to remove this mirror switch. Just going to grab a trim tool, get underneath here, pop it out, slide it out. And we're going to remove the electrical connectors. Just grab, pull it out. Next I'm going to take this trim piece out from around this speaker. I'm just going to use a trim tool, get in behind here, and also grab it with my fingers, pull it straight out, just like that. Next, we're going to remove these three Torx bits, Torx screws. I'm going to use a T25 Torx Driver. Slide this out. There's a connector right here. Disconnect the connector. And there's your speaker. To remove this speaker, I'm use the same T25 Torx Driver to remove these screws. Pull this out. To disconnect the connector, just squeeze these two little tabs and pull it out. Now we're going to install the speaker. Attach the electrical connector. Take the Torx screws, get those started. We're going to take our T25 driver and snug these up. So now we're going to install this speaker. Keep in mind when you took it apart which plug the connector was plugged into. Ours was plugged into this connector right here. And then we'll slide it into position. Install the Torx screws. Oops, wrong driver. We'll use our T25 driver and snug them up. Remember, it is plastic, so don't tighten them too much. Install this trim over the speaker. Make sure you feed those wires through and push it on. Now we're going to connect the mirror switch. There's this black connector, goes on the bottom. White one goes on the top. We'll slide this into position like that. And then we'll push it down, lock it in place. We're going to install the outer door shell. We want to slide this wire through this hole down here. So that's going through there. Then install the lock rod right there. Just line the whole panel up. Make sure that wire goes through. It's all lined up. Then we're just going to push it on. Looks like it's all the way on. Yep. All right, to reinstall this light, I'm just going to plug this in here. Slide this up. Lock it in place. Now we're going to pop this trim back on. Just line it up. Lock it in place. We'll install this push pin underneath in this hole. Just like that.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneaauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.